Hello my friends, today I am doing kind of an unboxing, revealing of the Dewalt jab saws for sheetrock and whatnot. It's got a lifetime warranty. I kind of like the Dewalt stuff. I have a couple drills and stuff and I'm pretty happy with them. Anyways, let's open this up, shall we? Oh, be careful because these are fairly sharp, so okay, didn't want that to come out of there, did they? And that is that. So this blade does have a limited lifetime warranty, which is kind of nice. I wonder if there has any little hidden areas here or anything. Looks like the blade does not, probably cannot change it out, doesn't look like. Let me see here. Teeth are sharpened on 3 sides, allowing to cut up to 50% faster. Guaranteed tough. If product fails to perform, defects in the material, workmanship will replace it. Proof of purchase is required. Warranty is not transferable. Okay, so you need a receipt. Blah blah blah. Yellow and black scheme is a trademark of Dewalt. So, there's a purpose for me getting this. I have to do a little bit of sheetrock cutting when I'm going to install a new light fixture in the bathroom. Of course, there's going to be a video for that, so we're going to be able to do a demonstration of this as well. Feels pretty sharp and quite serrated are the edges, as you can see. So be careful with this if you have one. I'm going to put it back in this little sheath here, hopefully, and not shove it into my hand. That would be bad. Well, okay, give it a little bit of protection there. I might make a little cardboard sheath or something out of it. Anyways, it has a little loop there if you want to hang it on your pegboard or whatever too. So pretty cool little device. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon if you want. It's looking at about 12 bucks for this thing, so not bad. And I will be doing kind of a review later on when I chop up some sheetrock with it. I'll show you how to do that. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. We'll see you next time.